Hey guys, I'm back with another video with the cute girl Stella. So today's topic will be perfumes and we'll be comparing niche fragrances with designers as well as cheap and clone houses. So stay tuned. सो गाइज बेसिकली यही टॉपिक हमारे दिमाग में रहता है कि यार ज़्यादा स्पेंड कर रहे हैं फ्रेग्रेंस पे तो ज़्यादा अच्छी स्मेल आएगी, चीप लेंगे तो ज़्यादा कॉमन हो जाएगी या फिर तो उसकी इंग्रेडिएंट्स अच्छे नहीं होंगे, सो इट विल बी लाइक सिंथेटिक स्मेलिंग समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो उसकी जगह हम इस बार इसलिए कॉन्सेप्ट ये रहेगा कि विल बी कंपेयरिंग नीश हाउसेज like niche fragrances which are expensive. We'll be comparing it with the designers which are comparatively cheaper than that, and then last में हम compare करेंगे with the cheapies and the clone house. So basically यही रहेगा कि एक बार expensive उन्होंने try कर रखा होगा तो उसके बाद में उनको पता पड़ना चाहिए कि we are going to the cheaper side of the collection and then towards the cheapest. Okay, so we'll be starting with the niche house first, and this is the Parfums de Marly Ocean. So we'll be give it a spray. So let's see.
It's really good.
So by the smell आपको ये कैसा लग रहा है कि कौन से एज वाले वेयर कर सकते हैं?
ये सब एज में यूज कर सकते हैं, ये अच्छा है. And I guess this is perfect gift for mature man.
So what would be your rating out of 10?
I guess 7.5.
It's quite tough to please her. Let's see. Next, it's not a basic niche fragrance, but it's like from the niche collection or the Privé line, I guess, from Hermes. It's L'Ambre de Marly.
Oh, wow, I like this.
So do you think ये mature को ही wear करना चाहिए और the younger crowd can wear it?
सबके लिए है, खास करके 25 एज से आगे जो है उनके लिए अच्छा है.
What will be the rating?
8.
Actually, this line is more marketed towards females, but the Eau de Marly and the Acre de Marly are more marketed towards the women, but this L'Ambre de Marly is marketed as unisex. So yeah, I would say that it's more like unisex fragrance, not very much masculine like Ocean we tried before. Next, we'll be trying the Tom Ford Noir Extreme. It's not niche, but see.
Oh my god, this is too much strong, but I like it. I mean,
What occasion would you say इसको कब wear कर सकते हैं, like daily use or party wear?
डेट पे जाने के लिए it's good.
Oh.
Very good.
So what will be the rating?
9. I love it.
Great. Now we'll be moving towards the designers, which are quite cheaper than that. So first we'll be trying the Invictus by Paco Rabanne.
Okay, मतलब नॉर्मली बेसिकली ऐसे यूज कर सकते हैं कहीं भी जाना हो तो.
Daily wear के लिए.
या डेली वेयर के लिए.
Smell wise, like age group?
Age like young people's 18 to 20.
Okay, and the rating?
7.
Oh. Guys, this is like a top seller from Paco Rabanne. So, do you feel any difference between the niche and this one, by ingredient wise or smell wise?
Yeah,
do you
but they are strong and this is normal, you know, like everyone can use this, but niche is strong.
So next was the 1 million absolutely gold.
It's quite sexy. It's nice.
Occasion?
Occasion.
Like clubbing, date, fragrance, or
No, like
फॉर्मल्स.
सबके लिए ही कर सकते हैं. Clubbing, dating, everything. It's really good actually. I want this.
Your rating on this?
9.5. Yeah, I really like it.
Now we'll be trying the Versace Oud Noir. This is a good clone of expensive Privé line from Tom Ford, which is Oud Wood, and I've literally tried them side by side, and this thing smells almost like 95, if not 95, at least it's 90% close to it. Yeah, ingredient might be quite cheaper than that, but this smells divine, at least for me.
It's too much strong, I guess. Okay, I don't like that too much. It's okay. No.
Okay, so do you find it quite mature,
Yeah.
like age group like 30 plus or something
Yeah,
like
yeah,
that?
30 plus. It's a really natural.
But rating?
Rating, okay. For that, I guess 8. 8 is good.
Okay. So now we'll be going towards more cheaper fragrances like CK All. So this is from the house of CK. This is CK All, and it's from the same legacy like CK1, CKB, CK Shock. This thing is a dope. It does smell really good. After CK Shock, I like this the most. CK All is
Wow.
quite unisex and quite boring. Now it's dated because it's 1990s release, something like that. So,
So nice. I guess this perfume is mostly used in summer or winter. Maybe
Summer.
Summer. Yeah.
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 Quite actually unisex, and
Yeah, I like it. I guess 8.5.
you can use it during winters as well, because
So if you
I have used it and get easily like 6 to 7 hours, and it projects for 1.5 to 2 hours as well. So quite a good performer. CKB, CK1, they don't perform that good. So now let's move towards Mont Blanc, and it's Mont Blanc Individual, quite famous.
Yeah, it's awesome.
This thing is quite a good compliment getter, and
I guess I would like to rate this perfume 10.
actually I also got compliment from other girls
Nice.
wearing this.
It's really, really, really good. You should try this.
What would you suggest, like age group?
Age group 18 to 25.
Yeah, quite. It's not that much mature scent.
Yeah, but it's good for young people.
So daily wear.
Yeah, it's good for daily wear.
Can someone wear this for date?
Of course, this is actually nice. That's why I'll give rating 10, right? It's good. Good for date.
So next we are going towards the Zara Gourmand Leather. This is the good clone of Ultra Male from Jean Paul
I would
Gaultier.
like to buy this perfume.
Which individual? Oh.
Okay.
So this one is Gourmand Leather, and Gourmand Leather is a good clone of Ultra Male from Jean Paul Gaultier, and I have also made a separate review of this, but this is the 150 ml bottle, and it doesn't last that much as compared to the older bottles which were 100 ml, and literally that thing lasted around 6 to 7 hours easily. Comparing to the Ultra Male first batch, it was like very close, 90 to 92%, but lasting was also good, and this one smells good but not that much close to the Ultra Male. It should be like rated like 80 to 85%. I don't know, they changed the ingredient or somewhat, I don't know, but lasting is also not that good. Other batch of Gourmand Leather lasted 7 hours. This thing barely lasts for 4 hours. So this is quite a bummer that they degraded the quality.
Okay. This is so nice. I guess when someone is going for meeting and all, then it they can use this perfume.
For
Because
office?
for office because it smells like normal but fresh. I mean,
Do you find it quite sweet?
not sweet. It's okay. I mean, normal, fresh, and
For
cool.
clubbing?
Not for clubbing. Only
Okay.
for office or professional stuff.
Now we'll be going towards the cheapies. So this is Carrera Pour Homme.
Karela. Not good at all. I don't like it. So boring. No rating for that.
Can you give a second try?
Yeah, but I don't like it. I mean, no fresh, no romantic, and
Nothing.
fresh.
So that was a cheapie and it was like blown out of water. She didn't like it at all. So this is Lomani Body and Soul. This is a good clone of Spice Bomb by Viktor and Rolf. So let's see. It is quite strong fragrance and very good for the price point. Actually, she liked it earlier.
Oh my god. You know what, guys? अगर आप कहीं डेट पे जा रहे हो किसी को सीरियस कर रहे हो तो you can use this perfume. It's really smell good. I love it. Actually, I want this perfume.
Spice Bomb भी बहुत अच्छा चला है, उसका टॉप सेलर था and this is very good clone of
This
that.
is very good for couples mostly.
So good for dating.
Yeah, good for dating.
Rating.
Rating 10.
Great. So actually individual got 10 and this one is another 10. So do you find it quite synthetic or cheap smelling? That's the point.
I feel like this perfume is very fresh and enjoyable and
Spicy.
spicy, moody and sexy type.
So
I love this.
so you can see that price point doesn't matter. So आप देख सकते हैं कि cheapy ही ज़्यादा lead कर रहे हैं. Niche को ज़्यादा इतनी rating नहीं मिली. So last we'll be going towards the clone. This is Arma of Craze. It's clone of Pegasus by Parfums de Marde. And I have compared it side by side and this is very good clone. Very close to it. And I didn't bought Pegasus just because I have the clone. I know it's like day and night. If you are a frag head and you are into fragrance collection, then you will be noticing the quality difference. It is not that high quality fragrance, but smell wise in the air, it's just wow. And this things last and last. Like
अच्छा है but daily use के लिए सही है, ठीक है.
winter के लिए या summer के लिए.
Summer, not for winter.
Basically इसमें
बहुत गर्मी
vanilla
हो जाती है
and
summer में तो good for.
actually.
Yeah.
So rating.
Rating is 7.7 I guess.
Actually this is quite good for winters as well because ये थोड़ा heavy हो जाता है almond note and vanilla note से. So summer में try not to wear it during very high heat because it might get quite cloying because this is quite strong on skin and sweet हो जाएगा ज़्यादा heat के साथ में. So actually that's pretty much it, but I would like to compare it with Spice Bomb as well. She loved Body and Soul, so we'll be comparing it with Spice Bomb as well. So let's see how this thing scores.
Oh wow. Awesome. I really like it. It's good.
Rating.
10.5.
So she liked it
It's really
more
good.
than
We should try
that
this.
Body and Soul. So yeah, इससे हम ये इतना सब कंक्लूड कर ही सकते हैं कि cheapies are not that bad. If budget अलाउ करता है तो आप एक्सपेंसिव भी ले सकते हैं, डिजाइनर ले सकते हैं, नीच ले सकते हैं. बट इन केस अगर पॉकेट अलाउ नहीं कर रही है या फिर बजट कंस्ट्रेंट हैं तो डोंट हेजिटेट टू गेट द क्लोन्स. because spice bomb के लिए I paid like 6,500 for 90 ml, and this body and soul costed around 500 or 600 rupees for 100 ml. So it's like 1/10 of the price of original deal. It's designer and this is clone. So that's pretty much it. I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो. अगर पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक द लाइक बटन, एंड कोई आपके अगर कमेंट है या फिर कोई सजेशन है, क्वेरीज हैं, देन प्लीज़ कमेंट डाउन बिलो. एंड अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं देन प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक द सब्सक्राइब बटन. अगली बार मिलते हैं. बाय.